The all.
Awareness organizes itself so completely that it inevitably produces this notion of a self. And that illusion is quite powerful, one that is ultimately cherished. But make no mistake, it's the echo of consciousness mistaking its own reflection for something real. Here's the bottom line. If a self does exist, it can only exist within this field of awareness, because there is simply nothing else. It cannot stand outside of the eyes and sights, ears and sounds, body and touch, mind and thoughts. So, if the self isn't denied, and it's not separate, then it must be embodied. The self, then, must be seen for what it really is, a temporary artifact inside the activity of mind, included in the all. This is what Zen means when it says, "The sound of the stream is the Buddha's tongue," or "The eyes and sights are not two." They're not metaphors. They're descriptions of realization. When awareness awakens to itself, it stops looking for the self as something apart. It stops cherishing the notion of a separated individuality. The illusion collapses, and what remains is simple, infinite completeness. So when the Buddha touched the earth and said, "This is my witness," he wasn't appealing to something outside himself. He was pointing to everything, to awareness itself, as the only witness there ever was, Bakul, the only witness needed. That's the deeper explanation. There is nothing outside this. No self apart from it. No world beyond it. Just the endless. The all. The effortless and complete activity of awareness.